and welcome to the 9th day of Christmas. Today I wanted to do a makeup tutorial. I actually really like the way it turned out. Really intense, like especially for me, I don't usually wear this dark of a makeup look, but I actually really like the way it turned out and I think I might wear it again. Like I think I might wear it for Christmas this year, like in real life. I hope you guys like this look. Thank you so much for watching and let's jump right into the tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to start off by taking my BH Cosmetics 42 color eyeshadow palette in Ultimate Mattes, and I'm taking the lightest cream shade from the palette and using that to set my eyelid because I did apply concealer to my lids before this look. And then I'm taking the light pink shade with this fluffy brush from the Studio Pro BH Cosmetics brush set, and I'm just sweeping this color into my crease and blowing it out as my transition shade. Then I'm going to take the red shade from the palette and I'm taking this flat blending brush and I'm going to start packing this red shade on the outer half of my eyelid. And then I'm going to take a clean fluffy blending brush and just blend out these two shades to make sure there's no harsh lines before taking this brown and this kind of burgundy shade, and I'm going to mix those two together and apply them to my outer corner with another brush from the Studio Pro line. I'm actually using like all these brushes from the Studio Pro line, so most of the brushes I use in this video are from that line. And I'm taking just some more of the pink shade and just blending it into my crease a little bit more. Then I'm going to dip into the Aurora Lights palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm taking the silver shade. I can't remember what it's called, but it's the only silver in the palette. I'm going to apply it with my finger to the inner half of my eyelid. And then I'm going to go back into the red shade from the Ultimate Mattes palette. I'm just going to blend the edge of the silver and the red to make sure there is no harsh line between the two shades. And I'm also going to take some of that red, just a little bit of it, into my crease to blend along the edge of the silver so it doesn't look so cut crease-like. Then I'm taking the black from the palette with a small crease brush and I'm just going to deepen up the outer corner a little bit, make it slightly more smoky and dramatic. And then once again going in with the fluffy brush. I don't think I carried any extra product on this brush, but I'm just blending out everything to make sure there's no harsh lines. And then I'm going to take some more of that silver shade, but I'm going to take it with a brush this time and spray it before applying it to my lid. And it actually felt like I got so much more vibrancy with the wet brush, so I would definitely recommend it with these Aurora Light palette shades. I'm just taking the crease brush and blending out the edges again, and then I'm going to move on to my face. So I'm starting with the e.l.f. Illuminating Primer Mist, and I'm going to use that as my primer before going in with my Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. And I'm going to be blending in this foundation with another brush from the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro line, and this is their flat buffing brush. I can't remember what any of the brushes are called. I don't have them in front of me right now, but it's like their buffing brush from the Studio Pro line, and I'm going to use that to blend everything into my face. And then I'm going to take my Wet n Wild concealer. It's the Photofocus concealer in the shade medium. And I'm just going to apply it to all the high points of my face as well as under my eyes before blending it out with the Sephora Mini Pro Airbrush. And then I'm going to set my face, or my under eyes I guess, with the Milani Prep Set and Glow transparent powder. I love this powder. It gives my face such a fresh, glowy look. So I'm applying it under my eyes and basically anywhere where I applied the concealer. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Photofocus pressed powder in the shade Warm Light. And at first I took a small brush, but then I went in with a bigger fluffy brush to set the rest of my skin. And then for bronzer today, I am using the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster in the shade Medium to Dark. And I'm taking another brush from the BH Cosmetics line and using this to blend the bronzer into my cheeks, a little bit on my forehead, and along my jawline as well. And for blush, I'm going in with the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Rose Doro. I love this blush, you guys know that. It's my favorite blush of all time, and I can't stop wearing it. For highlighter, I'm taking the Rimmel highlighting palette. I took the pinky shade from the palette, and I'm just applying this to my cheekbones, a little bit on my nose, my cupid's bow, and whatever's remaining on the brush, I'll just sweep over my chin and forehead. To set my makeup, I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Coconut Mist. I also popped on some lashes before I came back to finish my eyes. These are the Kiss number 11 lashes. I think they're actually really beautiful, and they're not super difficult to wear or apply. For my lower lash line, I'm going to start by applying the red shade from the palette before going in with the black shade in a small pencil brush. And I'm using this kind of as a liner to deepen up my lower lash line. Then I decided to take the silver and apply it just on the inner half of my lid, and I actually loved the way that turned out. It really brightened up and opened up my eyes. It made my eyes look a lot bigger than they are. And for the inner corner highlight, I'm just taking the lightest metallic shade from the Aurora Lights palette. Then I applied some mascara, and that basically completes the eye look. I really like the way this eye look turned out. I think I am going to wear this for Christmas this year. For lips, I decided to go bold and apply a dark red. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade Voyager, and that completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that you are enjoying the 12 days of Christmas so far. Let me know if you like this look. And yeah, I guess I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!